Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Vivo V20. So in this particular video we'll see how to manually download and install the latest available version, that is 1.70.24. So in this particular video we'll see, like if you are on maybe 1.70.15 or maybe below than that, and you haven't got the latest update, that is 1.70.24 on your phone yet, because it's already 15 to 20 days, or I would say 14 to 15 days that this particular update was started seeding on the Vivo V20 phone. But there is no point to worry about that. We in this particular video will be covering out that as well. So firstly, let me show you that I'm already on 0.24 update, so there is no latest update available, but during this video we'll be seeing that how to update to 24 as well. So for that I have already created a dedicated article on my official blog. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description box below so that you can go over afterward. So nothing major has been mentioned, few minor things. So like firstly, this is a build number, that is 1.70.24. A part of this is a full firmware update which is of nearly about 3.34 GB approximately, which will upgrade your phone to 1.70.24. So there is a bummer with this part. So if someone is having a data capping of 1.5 GB daily or 2 GB, then they won't be able to use this particular method to upgrade their phone. But this will surely help for the ones who are having like Wi-Fi connection, or there is no data limits at their side. So now it comes that how to download that particular file. So you just have to tap it here, long press here, and afterward just tap on download link, and it will download this particular file. To cut down the time, I have already downloaded it, so I'm just going to cancel it. So now let me show you by moving into Files Manager. So by default it will be listed in your download folder. So after that, just select it and move to your internal storage like I did at my side. So this is internal storage and I have kept it in the root. So this is that particular file. So after moving to internal storage, you just have to move to settings section, and after to system update, and this time you have to tap on settings icon and click on local upgrade. Once you have put that particular file in internal storage on the root file or at the root directory section or whatsoever you use, so just you will be able to know this is that particular upgrade, that is 1.70.24. Just tap it here, and afterward it will verify and it will prompt you that do you want to install that and so on. This will update your phone and so on. So just tap on update now button. Now extracting upgrade package, and afterward it will prepare to install it, and within a fraction of second it will restart your phone. So just wait till the time this extraction process will be completed and installation wizard will start. So finally the phone has been restarted. Now it will move to the installation wizard setup window where it will show that installing update, do not play with the keys or so on. So this is that particular section, installing update, do not press any button and so on, because this will result into soft brick or hard brick. So just wait till that time this particular process will be completed, and afterward our phone will again be restarted, and afterward directly move to the login or home screen. So finally the installation process has been completed. Now phone has been rebooted again, and now this time it will take 1 or 2 minutes to finally boot into the home screen or login screen. So just wait till that particular time. So finally phone has been booted successfully. Let me log in, and now it will take 5 to 6 seconds to load this particular whole UI and so on. If you will be doing this first time, like you were not already on 0.24 and you were on 0.15 or maybe below version that, then you will see some sort of prompt here that system upgrade successful and sort of. If not, then you can just move to settings section, and afterward again move to system update, and you will see the latest update version is 1.70.24 at your side. That was all from my side related to how to manually download and install the latest available version, that is 1.70.24. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.